Hi, this is Julie with Beadaholique, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to make this pair of earrings. I'm calling them the Geneva earrings, and they feature Nunn design components and a beautiful Swarovski crystal at the base. So I want to also show you a couple other recent additions to the Beadaholique.com collection of Nunn design goods, because these are really pretty and they all complement each other very well. So we have these hoops, which is what I'm going to be using to make these earrings, and these are called organic hoops. And they come in a grande size and a large size. So the grande that we're going to be using in the earring is 28.5 millimeters and the large is 21 millimeters. Now you can also see our designer Kat. She's used it here as a wonderful focal piece in this necklace that she's made. And she's paired it with this cross pendant. And what's so nice about the cross pendant is it has that sideways facing bail, so you can easily string it onto something. There's also these flat circle tags, and these are also an organic shape, and you see that they're a little bit uneven, which is wonderful and delightful. And there's the grande and the large in them as well. And here I've done a little metal stamping, a mandala design, just to give you an idea of what you can do with them. And over here I've actually stamped a name, Heather. So that's really fun. Another component of these earrings are these little twisted rope jump rings. They're 8 millimeters in size, and they are just so handy as both a decorative feature as well as a connector. Okay, let's make the pair of earrings. So you're going to want your 2 sizes of the Grande organic hoops, a Nunn design earring hook. You're going to want for each earring 5 of these little rope jump rings, and you're going to want the Swarovski crystal metallic cap pear pendant. So you see it's got that really pretty silvery top, and this one is just in crystal. And your only tools that you're going to need are 2 pairs of chain nose pliers. Let's go ahead and make this. And we're going to start by placing the Swarovski crystal pear pendant onto the smallest of the hoops. And so we're just going to open the jump ring. This entire project just is constructed by opening and closing jump rings. So you just twist that jump ring open. Because it's 8 millimeters, it easily clears the tip of that pendant, which is really nice. And you just slide it onto the hoop and close up the jump ring. Now I actually wanted to, just as a decorative element, add a jump ring now to either side of the pendant. Twist it open, link it on, close it up, and we'll do one more. And I tested these by wearing them for a while, and they are not too heavy. So that is something that I was a little bit concerned about when I first came up with the idea. Always when you're designing with metal, you want to take into consideration the weight of it. And these are fine. They're very comfortable to wear. At least I feel they are. They did not drag on my ear or anything like that. Okay. Now I'm ready to add the other hoop, and I do want to show you something. There is a more curved side and a flatter side. So it's really a personal preference which one you want to show. I'm going to show the more curved side. I want that one facing forward. Okay, so now I'm going to take my small hoop with the metallic cap, and I want the metallic cap also facing forward. Slide on a jump ring and then slide this guy right behind it. Close it on up. So now those guys are hanging together. And take another one of these jump rings, open it up, slide it onto the jump ring I just attached. So we've got that hangs, and then add our earring hook, again making sure it faces forward. So you're just looking at the orientation. You want this to hang right, and you want everything facing forward that you think should be facing forward. And we're done. So really quite easy. And a really pretty little design, I think. I think it's nice and it's modern, but it's still classic, and it uses some crystal and all these really pretty Nunn design components. So everything you see here, along with a lot of other Nunn design and Swarovski crystal items, are available at Beadaholique.com, as well as a number of other projects and videos showing you how to use them.